What's the meaning of astral? Astral. Astral.
Astral. Astral. The term astral generally refers to something related to or connected with the stars, cosmos, or outer space. It is often used in the context of spiritual or mystical experiences, such as astral projection, which involves separating one's consciousness from the physical body in order to travel or explore the astral realm. The idea of the astral realm is common among many belief systems and is often associated with notions of transcendence, spirituality, and otherworldly experiences.